MBRP that came in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, get started, put it on the 2021 Chevy Camaro SS, which we call it Envy. So we're gonna go ahead and get Envy hooked up and get it right. And make it do what it does. So this is the MBRP that came in. I'm gonna bust it open in a minute, let y'all see all the parts. But a few things you're gonna need. I got a Sawzall Milwaukee with the metal blade. That's what we're gonna use to cut the pipes off. So, got to jack the car, which you can see. I have it jacked up. Got a stand on this side. Then got stand and jack on this side. So pretty much got it sitting there. So this is what it looking like. So we got clearance. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get up under here, get some light, get the cut, and get this from up under here. All right, let's get ready to get started. I'm gonna unbox this in a minute and come back and let you all see it. So bear with me. All right, so we got some light. Let's see. So yeah, so we're gonna be cutting right around in this area. We're gonna get it marked. Once I get it marked, we get up under there, but we gotta get up in here, unplug that. Same thing on that side, we gotta get over there, unplug that one. And we got to take these out. So, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and, so now I got a couple places, another one here. We're gonna go ahead, spray them down with some WD-40. So it won't be so hard. Alright, and we're gonna end up taking these bolts out. They're gonna make it a whole lot easier so when it drop down. So we'll let that WD-40 kick in. Let's get these pipes marked and we'll make it do what it do. Alright, come right back. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing marked. If we do the same thing like this, All right, we'll do it tomorrow. We can do the same thing over here. All right. So, look like we got both of them marked. So, all right, let's get started on these bolts. Which it will be these right here. See if we can get to those. Up and down. All right, guys. So as you can see, that's the piece right there that we got to unplug. Let's see if we can get that unplugged right quick. Kind of hard to do it. All right, as you can see, got that one unplugged. Yeah, got that one unplugged. So now I'm gonna cut and then see if I can pull this stuff out. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's see if we can get to it. So we're gonna cut right there. Let's start on this side over here. 6 point. It's good. Not doing a terrific job, but it's done. That big sucker go. I got it out. Me by myself. Whew. Do I tell you? All right, let's keep it moving. Okay, just to give you a heads up, these right here, the AWE, we're gonna take these off. Somewhere on this side, 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. And I went ahead, went to Fast Tech, picked these up. So this plates, we're gonna actually use to put on those to keep my check engine light from coming on. So zip ties, and so we're gonna zip tie these up. Once we get that done, then we'll go ahead, unbox the MBRP and get started. Let's go. All right, so basically when you put it together, it'll look like that. 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. That's the whole piece. Got the AWE plate on there. So now we'll just plug it back in. And once we plug it back in, we'll take it and we will zip tie it up before we put the other stuff on. So same thing with that one. Get your handle banded plate right here. Go right on like that. Get your bolts. Screw them right in. In 3 spots. It's hard to do stuff with 1 hand, but Let's see. Yeah, one way to do it. Ooh, got time. But y'all get the point. Screw in. And we're gonna zip tie those up, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm zip tie I'm at, and they're supposed to keep the light from coming on. So let's finish up. As you can see, we went ahead and cut off the muffler, made 2 cuts, cut that off the back, unplugged the AF film off. We actually took those. We bought these from Fastix. They are the AF film disabler. You can buy them. They're gonna keep your CEL from coming on, which would be your check engine lights, if you didn't know. So you get 2 of these, put them on there, plug them back up, then you'll zip tie those up. As I said, the muffler's off. We got the MBRP over here. Let's go ahead and unbox that, see what we got going on. In order to get your pipe off, you're gonna need one of these, cause the saws all that cut right through that pipe. No problems. All right. This is what we all been waiting on. Huh? Let me get some light over here. All right. See what we got going on. It's a hard time. Got it packed up pretty good. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be the white. Should have had 2 of those. One on the side. Got a piece of that on connect to the wire. I know they look kind of funny, but got this little part on here. This is actually for the help with the drone, so you won't have all that drone in the inside. That's what that is for. Get 2 of those. Same thing. Then you got the clamp. They some heavy duty clamp. You get 4 of those. You get your instructions. Got your little MBRP. You want to throw that on the top. Then you got these plates here. These plates was actually for the actual AFM if you wanted to stick them in there, but they usually still had your check engine light came on. That's why I bought those ones from Fastix. Then, what we all been waiting for, these are the tips. Which is gonna be black too. Bigger than the ones we had. These are double wall, as you can see, MBRP. Already got the little clamp holes on there that we'll stick on there. And you get 4 of those, because I got quad pipe, so other than that, that's what you get on the MBRP. So we're gonna get started hooking all this up and See what we got when we finish. Y'all already know what it sounded like at stock, but it's gonna sound a whole lot better, a whole lot louder, a whole lot cleaner when we finish. So let's get started. All right. Let's get back up on my hill. So I got the first piece on. So as you can see, put it on, tighten it up. It's tight. Got it inside the rubber. Now I need to put that other piece on that's gonna go up this way. I took that back out, the AFM back there, zip tied it. I'm gonna cut these in a minute. But in order to get that other piece in without having a hard problem, I'm gonna take this out. That way I can slide that on. And then all I have to do is lift that back up and bolt it back on. They're gonna make it a whole lot better than trying to squeeze that stuff in there. So that's what that is. Take that off. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So give me a minute and I'm gonna show you what's what. All right. Got both pieces up. Both locked with the clamps. So next we'll put them pieces on and start on the tips. They look pretty much. Alright. Let's see what it looks like when I get done. Alright, that's the finished product. Got them about lined up right. Clamped everything down. Alright. So we gonna let it down. See what it sounds like. Alright, y'all. First start up since putting the MBRP on. Let's see what happens.